Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is how to uh, forecast the weather. So first of you will have to install this library pip install request. Is it because I have already requirement is already satisfied. Next import request. Request requests. It's working. Next, I have taken the city variable name where I input the city name and also print the city. So it asks about the city name where I write Delhi. This is the city name. Okay. Now I pass the URL. URL is a variable where I pass the is a http wttr.in. It is a weather forecasting URL, then dot format, okay, where I pass the city. So it's working. Now next is the weather variable where I equal sign, then I request dot get URL. Where I pass the in curly braces bracket URL and print the weather dot text. So it give the output before 2 days weather. So you can see the weather report Delhi 28 or 26 Celsius. It gives the Sunday and Monday weather forecasting. So this is the program where we can forecast the weather. Thank you.